Unogelam Kalyang Persha Dr. Mukul Sangma Hakakat Pratering Mentau Banai Ulong Bakasorkar Jylla Kaduna Badkami Binya Ekajinglong Jingman Hakabede Badkasukasan Hakajala Ulong Bakajimbamla Kasorkar Kabamenta Bad Pynneh Shongsuk Shongsan Kala Banwanra Panbani Kibabun Kijing Hura.
Now it's the responsibility of each one of us, particularly the political parties who have their respective representatives in the August House, to come together and put our heads together, discuss, and see how we can save the state. We have to look at the interests of the people, the larger good of the people. The interests of the state precedes everything else. I have shared this concern and this message also, trying to reach out to our friends in other political parties in the state, who are part of the partners in the coalition government, the MDA government. Now we would like to therefore make a clarion call to all concerned, including the people of the state and the members representing the civil society organizations, to play productive and effective role in our bid to contribute to achieve the objective of saving the state. I am telling you, once again, I have told it earlier, on behalf of the CLP, on behalf of my colleagues and friends, on behalf of people who share the same concern, that if we don't act to ensure that there is a new dispensation who will be vested with the responsibility of governance, the destruction of the state will be completed. We will allow further deterioration of the situation. We will end up seeing the state inflicted with irreversible problems, the problems which will be difficult to be resolved. We are already late. I think the scene around us, what we have seen in the recent past until the Independence Day, only reflect about what we are talking about. It actually is just something which has, I must say, because of the circumstances, we were able to know what is happening. But the undercurrent, which was known to us, we have shared with the government. That's the reason why we say it. We were asking the government, the chief minister, who should be actually calling number of meetings, particularly the meeting of the State Security Commission. Why was it? Why was it? It was not because we were trying to play to the gallery. No, we meant business. We knew what was happening. And I'm sure the chief minister should be knowing more than what we know, because that is how the people who are in the helm of affairs of governance are expected to have access to all inputs, multiple inputs. And therefore, friends, it's a matter of concern for each one of us. Today, I'm afraid that if we allow this chalta hai attitude, the government with this chalta hai attitude to carry on, we will have a future that none of us would like to witness. a future where you will have lawlessness, a future where people will have no reason to find any hope. What is required today is to ensure that a ray of hope is made visible to the youth of the state, to the people of the state, to people belonging to all walks of life, and create an environment where we have reasons to believe that there is an opportunity for each one of us, each member of the society across the state. And therefore there is a reason to come together and ensure peace, restore peace, and sustain peace.